Now I request Dr. Madhavi ma'am to start her presentation. Are you ready, madam?
Hello, sir. Hello, sir. Hello, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hello. Hello, sir. सर स्क्रीन दिसत आहे. चालू करायचं. ओके ओके सर. सर दिसत आहे का? ओके सर. Hello, good morning, sir, and all the participant. I am Dr. Annaji Madhavi, Assistant Professor, Department of Economics, Adarsha Education Societies, Arts, Commerce and Science College, Hingoli, Maharashtra. Today I am going to present deforestation and its impact. Outline my presentation: introduction, definition, use of forest, causes of deforestation, impact of deforestation, solution, and conclusion. Forests are often referred to as the lungs of the earth. Forests to help the earth to maintain Earth's atmosphere. Forests help to protect biodiversity. Forests help to give various things to living things. So this is why the forests are called lungs of the earth. But today, the forests are getting worse due to the deforestation. Forests around the world are under threat of deforestation and forest degradation. Forest cover approximately 31% of the total land surface of the earth. The total forest area is 4.06 billion hectare in the world. More than half the forests are in 5 countries: Russia, Brazil, Canada, USA, China. Since 1990, it is estimated that 420 million hectares of the forest have been destroyed for land use. Between 2015 and 2020, the rate of deforestation was estimated 10 million hectares per year. What is deforestation? Deforestation is the permanent removal of the tree from something beside the forest. Deforestation is the removal of forest or stand-off tree from to converted non-forest use area. Deforestation is the clearing, destroying, otherwise removing of the tree by natural or human activity. This is the picture of forest. This is forestation, and this picture when goes to convert in second picture. This is the second picture. This is the deforestation. So deforestation is the first picture. When convert it to second picture, it is called deforestation. Top area of deforestation in the world. There are some top area facing problem of deforestation. First is Brazil. Brazil deforestation is in the Amazon rainforest has increased 30% in within 1 year, 2018 and 2019. This is the Amazon rainforest is the largest rainforest in the world. This picture is last 2019 December month. There was a highlight in the news of Amazon fire. I think you all know about that news. This is picture that news Amazon fire. This picture is Ethiopian's prime minister. He set the world record of to plant tree. He helped to plant about 250 million trees in a single day. This is world record. Before that, the previous one record was 50 million trees in a single tree was set up by India since 2016. He set record as part of National Green Agency. Initiative to 2 billion tree in the country because of this country is facing a problem of deforestation. Forest cover drop from 35% in the early 20th century to 4% drop the forest by deforestation by the 2000 century. Next top area is Siberia. Russia has our fifth largest forest, and this forest called as taiga or boreal fire. But this boreal fire are the primary threat of fire are the primary threat of that boreal forest, rainforest. The World Wildlife Organization has reported that average annual rate of deforestation fire threat that forest is 1 to 3 million hectares. So this is a picture of that boreal rainforest fire threat. What is the use of forest? Various use, so many use forest we can say, but there are I have classified the use of this forest: functional use, ecological use, economical use. What are the functional use? Functional use it means productive function, protective function, regulative function, accessory function. Various forest give us like katha, pulp, paper, bamboo, etc. Protective function, what is flood protection, protect from flood, soil erosion, drought, etc. Regulative function, temperature, forest regulate the temperature, O2, CO2, accessories, aesthetic and habitat of flora, fauna. Then ecological, what is the ecological use? Regulation of global climate, temperature, global warming. Protection of oxygen, because tree produce oxygen. He release oxygen, so produce. This is ecological use. Conservation of soil erosion from soil erosion. Habitat to various wildlife on Earth planet. Observation of noise and air pollution. This is ecological use of forest, tree. Then economical use. Economically, timber provide from forest various activity for using timber. Get many people employ. Fuel, food, various tree can be used as fuel. Raw material for wood-based industries. So many in rural area or some people have depend on wood-based industries, and Food, various food, living thing, man, wild. Then medicine, means illness product are provided from tree, forest. So this can be earn money. So this is the economical use of forest. What are the causes of deforestation? First, there are so many different causes. First is agriculture activity. This causes 80% of deforestation. Then is livestock ranching. This is causes 14%. Illegal logging. This is because wood-based industry like paper, mastic, furniture, etc. Need a substantial amount of wood supply. Though this is so many trees are cutting because of illegal logging. Urbanization, it is one of the cause of deforestation. Overpopulation directly affect forest cover as the expectation of cities. More land need to establish housing and settlement. So desertification of land. How many industries in petrochemicals release their waste into the rivers, and which resulted in soil erosion, and it make unfit to grow plant. So this is desertification. In this means desertification is one of the causes of deforestation. Mining industry are in forest area and require considerable amount of forest. Apart from this, road and highway have to build to make a way for truck and other equipment. So this is why so many trees or forest are been cutting, should be cutting. Forest fire, one of the reason of deforestation. Forest fire, this may be natural or human activity by human. It happened due to extreme warm summer and mild winter. Fire weather caused by man nature is massive loss of forest forever. Paper, this is one of the cause. Paper use affect forest. Each year, account of approximately 640 million tree destroy the paper use each year. This is one of major reason of deforestation. Overpopulation. Overpopulation need to food and farmland to grow food and raise livestock, require many more road and highways for transport and communication. All these resulted in deforestation. What are the impact of deforestation? There are some impact. Climate change, acid, ocean, disruption of livestock, increase soil erosion, reduced biodiversity, disruption of water cycle. Impact of deforestation, climate imbalance or climate change. This is one of the major impact or major challenge in human on global level because of there's a global warming are increasing, and this is what happened because of that deforestation. Next is increase in global warming. Next, increase in greenhouse emission because tree deforestation is responsible for around 20% of greenhouse gas. 20% greenhouse gas increasing in the earth surface due to tropical deforestation, tropical rainforest deforestation. 1.5 billion ton of carbon is released every year in the atmosphere. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Next, soil erosion, flood, flood are cases of impact on food, increase in flood, wild extinction and habitat loss due to the deforestation. Acid ocean, increase in acid ocean, beaches are already 30% more acidic. So this is the impact of deforestation. Decline in life quality of people. Then food insecurity in the future. Then loss of biodiversity. About 80% of global diversity is located in the tropical rainforest area, and this is rainforest area is in danger in deforestation. What are the solution of this impact of deforestation? Government regulation need to stop deforestation. Reduce consumption of paper, because paper, printing paper, notebook, napkin, toilet paper, it is reduce waste of paper and also opt for recycle paper product. Educate other like friend, family and community. Purchase from sustainable forest friendly companies like ASEAN Palm, paper. These are the some example. Reduce consumption of deforestation prone product, soybean, palm oil, it should be avoided totally. This is a fight picture showing that fight deforestation. The best way to stop deforestation is replanting, ban on cutting of tree and new tree and new planting more. Conclusion: deforestation is a major environmental problem that world are facing. If we do not put end deforestation, it will be disappear 10 years. Forest is a conditional renewable resources need to certain time to maintain it. Deforestation is very harmful to our community and other community around the world. Plant a tree and breathe oxygen for a free. This is a message and this is a reference. Thank you to listening me. Thank you, sir. Okay, sir. So, sir, there are need awareness about impact of deforestation. What should be done in new future if there are no forest in our planet? So it should be. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So many development activity are related to forest, and everyone want to more develop, and so they are want to develop, and so this is why the forest need everyone like agriculture activity. There are some problem in population poverty, and they want to grow some food, and they want cut forest. So basic need to fulfill, they rely upon forest. So I think permanent remedy to avoid such deforestation prone goods like paper. We should use paper, less paper or recycle and don't waste paper. Many things like soya oil, palm oil should be avoid. Some meat should be totally avoid to eating. So this is where this way we can stop deforestation. Okay, sir. Thank you.